Hello Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Leo, pauna mensahe po ninyo ay 2 of Cups. Ayan, may partnership, no, na paparating. Meron kayong papasuking siguro love or romantic relationship. Kung single pa kayo, or probably this is a new friendship, new collaboration, baka bagong ano din ito, business, no, partnership na mabubuo dito between you and another person. Kung nasa relationship din kayo, baka meron kayong rough patch na pinagdadaanan ng inyong person. And with the 2 of Cups energy, you know, it's going to bring you together, no? It's going to bring you back together. At magkakaayos kayo, magra-reconcile kayo, you'll be able to patch up kung ano man ang hindi ninyo pagkakaintindihan. Sun, wow, napakaswerte ninyo sa ngayon. This is the most uplifting, most positive energy sa buong tarot deck, Leo. Kaya babalutin kayo nito ng liwanag. Magiging maayos ang inyong mga sitwasyon. There are going to be positive changes coming your way. Magliliwanag ang lahat. Kaya kahit mga problema, magkakaroon na yan ng solusyon. Kung meron man kayong mga muddled mind, may mga kaguluhan sa inyong isipan, for sure magkakaroon kayo ng kalinawan, no? You will be enlightened, you will have that clear direction, yung ganon, no, Leo? This is also about happiness and joy. This is about material and financial success as well. We have 7 of Cups. Ayan, so this is multiple opportunity coming your way. Merong mga oportunidad na dadating sa buhay ninyo at yan ay related sa iba't ibang parte ng buhay ninyo. So, since this is multiple opportunities, baka dumating din ito ng sabay-sabay, something like that, and you may be siguro baka malito kayo, no? So tune into your intuition, no? Your intuition will always give you guarantee na mapupunta kayo sa tamang direction. Ililid kayo nito sa best na option, okay? We have judgment. Yan, so judgment is an important this is an important judgment call para sa iyo. Maaring meron kayong importanteng decision making na kailangan gawin sa ngayon, Leo, at it could be in any area of life, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, no? Kailangan na ninyong pagdesisyonan ito ngayon kasi wow, mayroong nakasingit. Wow, we have 10 of Pentacles. So, siguro ito, si judgment, yung sitwasyon ninyo dito, Leo. Maaring sitwasyon ito na matagal na itong pabalik-balik sa buhay ninyo, no? It could be in anything. It could be in relationship, trabaho, pamilya. It could be in any area of life, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But you will notice na pabalik-balik siguro na ito, no? Paulit-ulit na lang na nangyayari. It's maybe because baka mayroong karmic debt kayo dito. Hindi pa ninyo ito na-address ng tama. Hindi ninyo ito siguro pinapansin, ano? Paulit-ulit ini-ignore nyo lang yan. So, hanggat hindi ninyo yan na-address ng tama at hanggat hindi ninyo yan nabibigyan ng or hindi ninyo napipick up, no, yung lesson that you need to know or to learn sa sitwasyon na to, pabalik-balik yan. Hindi yan matatapos. Kaya, now, siguro, nandyan na naman siya, nandyan na naman yung sitwasyon na to, so you really need to, pay attention to that, at i-address nyo na yan ng tama, okay? Para matapos na siya. So, by the way, we have 10 of Pentacles. For some of you, no, secured na ang future ninyo. Siguro, mayaman, no? Yun ang pumasok. Mayaman na siguro talaga kayo. Leo, maaring you really have enough money na nakapag-save na kayo for your future. So, maaring ganun ang inyong sitwasyon. So, you were able to establish na your financial future siguro at this time. Kaya kaya na ninyong i-provide ang inyong pamilya kung ano man ang kanilang pangangailangan for the long term. This is also abundance and prosperity, no? So maybe may mga blessings din na paparating na linked sa inyong kaperahan. Proposal, ayan, so baka business proposal ito na paparating, since we have 2 of cups. That could be business proposal, that could be an opportunity also siguro dyan sa linyang yan, or baka love life, no? Baka love life ito, baka romantic to proposal, baka meron ng mai-engage, no, sa inyo rito. We have judgment. Holy moly, this is judgment, this is also judgment. Pero sabi dito, soul searching will bring your inner peace to many areas of life. So maaari na yung pagdedesisyon ninyo dito na gagawin sa judgment energy ay kailangan ninyo na pag-isipan mabuti ito, because kung ano man ang magiging decision ninyo dito, it's going to have a great impact sa buhay ninyo for the long term. Kaya maiging mag-soul searching muna kayo, magnilay-nilay kayo, magmuni-muni kayo, so that you can dissect your feelings, your emotions, your thoughts about kung ano man ang sitwasyon na to. So huwag kayong magmadali, go deep within you. Mahalaga na malaman or ma-figure out ninyo kung ano nga ba ang dapat na gawin ninyo sa puntong ito. We have trust. Ayan, all is as it should be. Ayan, so magtiwala lang kayo sa universe. Magtiwala kayo sa divine plan para sa inyo ng universe, kasi parang kung ano mga nangyayari ngayon, that is according to your plan, according to God's plan para sa iyo. Whatever it is that is unfolding sa buhay ninyo, that is what is meant to happen, no? Abundance, count your blessings, napakaganda. You are going to be blessed with abundance, Leo. At maaaring this is abundance of money, no? Abundance of money and love. Yun ang na-pick up ko doon, money and love. So maraming blessings talaga ang parating sa iyo, kasi si Sun energy, that is also about abundance, that is about financial success and material success as well. We have happiness, magiging masayang-masaya kayo. Nasa taas niyo si judgment, so most likely magiging masayang-masaya kayo dito sa decision ninyo. Kung ano man ang mapagdedesisyonan ninyo dito, siguro ano yan, bukal sa loob ninyong gagawin yan. Kaya tuwang-tuwa kayo rito na finally you'll be able to address na kung ano man ang dapat ninyong address dito. So good luck, thank you for watching. Love and light, namaste.